This video, I show you how to get paid $5 for every 25 clicks, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to earn free PayPal money by just clicking. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. What if you could earn money with each mouse click? And what if you could figure out how to turn that small quantity into a large number with just one click? Compared to other people, you can actually produce a limitless amount of money by simply using your phone or computer. You don't need any complicated technological skills or expertise, nor do you need to create any videos or websites, nor do you need any social media followers to get started, because this revolutionary method is completely free and available all over the world. Imagine having financial freedom just by doing simple online money-making methods. With that financial freedom, you could provide for yourself, your needs and wants. Be it a house, a car, or whatever you're going to have. If you have financial freedom, you could provide for your family, you can pay for the bills, your child's school tuition, and everything else that your family requires. And that is caused by this simple method today. So watch until the end to know this strategy. And don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way through. Now let's get back to the video. First off, go to EntireWeb.com. While EntireWeb is similar to Google, they're still new, which is why they're paying anyone who can generate clicks that will lead to the site. They are attempting to encourage more people to click on it so they can generate traffic on their website and earn money from it. As you can see on their homepage, there is a menu icon, click on it, and then click on affiliate. You'll then be redirected to this page where you'll see this, earn up to 20 cents for every click, which is equivalent to $5 for every 25 clicks. Sounds simple, right? Also, I'm going to give you tips and tricks on how you can maximize this earning potential and gradually turn it into something passive. As you saw, you'll get paid for every click you produce on this platform. And to emphasize, this technique is open to everyone anywhere around the globe. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific videos for your region in my future videos. Once you have completed the procedures, you can cash out your earnings through PayPal. If you don't have one, don't worry, because they also offer other payment methods. As you can see here, all earnings will be paid at the end of the month for the previous month. All payments are made in US dollars. To get started, simply enter your PayPal email address, and you'll be good to go. Now, to stir up your interest, this platform performs the same way as Google search engine. You can go to this website to search for anything you want. You can simply type in whatever topic or keyword you'd like to research or read about. And this platform will give you the most accurate and related results. For example, if I type in money making, I'll be redirected to this page, which will give me all of the search results that are related to the topic or keyword I've just entered. Using this method, we become the website's promoters, or in their terms, affiliates, who will help them achieve their aim of building trust from visitors to their site, allowing you to make a lot of money as easy as cake. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. In continuation, if you refer someone to use the platform, you'll make a good amount of money. And that is only for one person. What if you influenced hundreds or thousands of people to click and use this search engine? That literally means a large sum of money is going your way. So now, let's start by signing up. To do so, just click this button right here. After clicking, you'll be redirected to this page, where you'll provide them with the necessary information so that your registration can go through, such as the details needed here. Once you've filled out all of these, read their terms and conditions. And if you agree, simply tick on this box and then click on sign up to complete your registration. After signing up, you'll be taken to your very own dashboard. But before you do anything else, you must secure your unique link first. If someone goes to EntireWeb through your link, you're going to earn a good amount of money. Now, what you need is a short script that you'll use to market your unique link. So simply go to Google Docs and open up a blank page where you can write something that will get people to click your link. Another option is to search for a ready-made script in Google. But if you have the time, just write your own. The little effort you've put into making a script will pay off big time in the near future. After finishing your script in Google Docs, just download it in PDF format by clicking the button right here. And then we'll go on to our next website, slideshare.net, where we will be publishing our completed short script with our link on it. This platform is unbelievable with millions of views every day from people all over the world. It's a traffic source that will allow you to advertise any link you want to thousands of people every day for free. To get started, register for an account by clicking this button right up here. After that, select the file that you want to advertise and then give it a title that will entice the general public to click on it. Once you've completed all of the details, simply click this button to publish your script. And that's it. Now all you have to do is wait for clicks and money to pour in. Overall, this is a win-win situation for everyone. EntireWeb gains new clients, and the clients get to search for whatever they want. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to get paid $20 every time just by choosing yes, which is one of the best ways to make money online.